Lonnie inherited his mother's home in Kannapolis, North Carolina, through a proper will. Deed transferred. Probate done. The legal work was complete. What wasn't resolved was his aunt. She had been living in the home under an informal arrangement, with no lease, no rent, and no interest in leaving. And the property itself needed significant work. Lonnie needed a way out that didn't require him to have a conversation he had already tried to have. 3 layers of difficulty. The legal picture was clear: Lonnie was the owner. But his aunt's informal occupancy gave her legal rights under North Carolina's tenancy-at-will framework, even without a signed lease. And the property itself needed a full cleanout, a roof reshingling, updated flooring, and full kitchen and bath work. A retail listing wasn't possible with an unresolved occupant. A conventional buyer would walk mid-contract the moment they found out. Lonnie needed a different kind of buyer entirely. Most agents won't list a property with an unresolved family occupancy. It's a liability. And even if someone listed it, a retail buyer who discovered the aunt mid-contract would exit and the deal would collapse. On top of that, the repair list, roof, flooring, kitchen, bath, would end most conventional financing at inspection. But the hardest part wasn't any of those things. It was that the conversations with his aunt had already proven difficult. Lonnie needed someone else to handle that process, through proper channels, not through more family friction. Lonnie was upfront about everything from the start: the condition, the cleanout, and the family member in the home. Travis Buys Homes took it all on. They made a cash offer on the Kannapolis property as is, with all the repair needs priced in up front, no post-offer surprises. And then they handled the occupancy transition directly through the correct legal process, so Lonnie didn't have to be the one delivering that news to his aunt. The property sold. The occupancy was resolved. Lonnie received his proceeds and stepped away from all of it for good. 4 things matter here. First, informal occupants and NC have legal rights. Tenancy-at-will requires proper written notice before termination. Skipping that process creates liability. Second, always disclose the occupancy to your buyer up front. Discovered mid-contract, it collapses deals. Disclosed up front, an experienced cash buyer can plan for it. Third, and this is the one most sellers don't know, you don't have to be the one having that conversation with a family member. A buyer who handles occupancy transitions directly removes that burden from you entirely. Ask for it explicitly. Fourth, repairs don't have to happen before you sell. Sell as is. We buy houses in Kannapolis, Charlotte, and across North Carolina, inherited properties, occupied homes, and major repair needs. We handle the occupancy transition through proper channels, so the seller doesn't have to. No repairs, no commissions, no cleanout required before closing. Go to travisbuyshomes.com, fill out the short form, and we'll have a no-obligation cash offer to you within 24 hours. You don't have to keep having that conversation. Let us handle it.